Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the dimming issue which is happening in this MI11X device, even in the other smartphones like Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 as well, friends. So there is a dimming issue is going on that the screen brightness will automatically decrease after the phone gets a certain amount of temperature or certain amount of heat. So that is what happening in the other smartphones as well. So recently I did a video on that one. So low brightness issue, as you can see, friends. So I think couple of days back I uploaded that video. So low brightness issue. So this is a video which I did. So same thing as happening even with the other users as well. I did found out in online with other users who are using the Redmi K40, Poco F3 and even the Mi11X as well. So the issue is that whenever you start playing the game in the full brightness mode, so then after certain time and after certain temperature, the screen brightness will started to dim overall. So that is what happening, and there is no other option in the settings which is available related to this kind of dimming problem. So even I did disable all this kind of automatic brightness modes. Everything got disabled, but still it was kept on happening, friends. So right now I'll try to demonstrate you. I'll try to play the PUBG game for a certain amount of time and I'll try to show you the results for yourself, so you can see actually the difference. So what's happening in this Mi11X and other smartphones as well, so regarding this dimming issue of the brightness. So let's get started, friends, with this test. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of TikTok wallpaper which I'm using right now. And see, so right now you can see, friends, clearly I'm playing the PUBG game. So right now I'm using the 100% brightness throughout this time of playing this game. So right now I'll be playing the game for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes of time. So during this time, the brightness in the beginning, it will remain exactly at the high brightness level, but later on, after certain time, after certain temperature, the brightness will automatically get dim. So still the problem not yet got fixed in this phone. So hopefully maybe in this Mi11X may not be there the problem, but I cannot guarantee that problem may not occur, but definitely same problem has been there in this Poco F3 and the Redmi K40 devices as well, friends. The same kind of dimming problem. So try to observe the brightness of the game right now. So right now I'm playing full brightness. So again after certain time, so suddenly the brightness will decrease. So try to observe everything. So you can see right now the sky and the ground, everything is very bright and you can clearly see without any dim. So there is no other issue in this phone apart from this dimming problem which is happening. So I'm thinking there is a mechanism that whenever the phone increases the temperature, the brightness will decrease to keep the phone very cool. So that is what is happening in this case. So right now I'm just selecting a couple of options, and when I'm back to the game, suddenly the brightness decreases. As you can see, friends, right now the brightness got completely decreased. You can clearly see here. So you can see the ground. So it's not that bright at all at the moment, you can see. So try to, if you play backside of the video backward a little bit, you can clearly observe the difference. So right now it's 43 degrees. So if you backward this video, you can observe the brightness. So right now you can see the brightness of the ground. You can see here, friends, it's very low brightness. So even though if you're using high brightness continuously, this is what will happen. So after a certain time, the brightness will automatically gets dim. So I did see that this kind of pattern that the temperature whenever it increases to 43 degrees. So 43 degrees is a threshold value. I'm thinking of this screen dimming problem. So I'll try to test this kind of scenario a couple of times and I'll be back another video. So that's it, friend. This is a small review on this dimming problem. Still it's happening in this phone. So right now I'm using this Redmi K40, but still in the Mi11X same kind of problem may be happening as well. So just to be aware that. So after the updates, I'll try to keep you posted how it's going on. So see you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.